I got 1 billion subscribers. That's 1/8 of the world's population. But how could I have possibly gotten 1 billion subscribers? Well, I'm going to show you right now. First thing that you want to do is open up your web browser. You can use any web browser, but since not everyone has a Windows or Mac, I'll be using Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser. Next, you want to go to youtube.com and search up a YouTube channel you want to do this trick on, but I'm going to be using my own channel as an example. Yes, I know it may not be Christmas time when you're watching this video, but it was Christmas time when I was recording the video, so I'm sorry, but you're going to have to deal with the Christmassy video up on my channel. Now, as you can see, right now I have 62 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Well, as of now, actually. But how did I get from 62 subscribers to 1 billion subscribers in less than you could blink your eyes? All you have to do is press the F12 button on your keyboard, and this bar will show up. Now you want to click the button where my cursor is pointing at right now. A message will appear saying select an element in the page to inspect it, or you could just press Ctrl-Shift-C. Now click on where it says 62 subscribers. After that, double click on the number 62. Next, you want to change the number to whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to change it to 1 billion, like I said in the video. Also, keep in mind that this trick will not work on mobile devices since there is no F12 keyboard on your mobile. Now, press enter to save your changes. Keep in mind that these changes will not be saved throughout the whole internet. It will only be saved on your computer only. And once you refresh the page, you won't be able to have that amount anymore. All of the changes you made with the F12 setting will be reverted back to the way they were when they weren't changed at all. You could also change the number of the amount of subscribers you have, and you could even change the text to make it say something completely different. And voila, your channel now has 1 billion subscribers, or the amount of subscribers you want it to have. Well, not really, but you could always use this to like prank your family and friends and stuff. It's pretty nice. I did that once to my sister. You could even make yourself have this many subscribers, which I don't even know what the number is. Like, probably more than a Google, maybe. I don't know. But I'm not going to make sure this has 100 zeros or not, since I really don't feel like counting all those zeros. It's way too many to count. Here's something else that's really cool that you can do. You could also change the number of views you have, which, again, it's not real. It can't end up on everyone's computer. It can only end up in your computer, just like I said before. Again, you have to press F12 on your keyboard, then press that icon that my mouse was just at, and then you want to select the amount of views you have. Then select the 56, and you could add in whatever number you want. Now, to prove to you that the views are not real views, I'm going to type in a view count that's more than a 64-bit integer, which is this number. Now, let's see what happens if I press enter. You get this number, and the word views is not there anymore, even though it's still typed in. And I just changed it back to what a 64-bit integer would be like, which is 808 instead of 809. And the same thing happens. Now, here's something you also might want to know, is that Google Chrome actually has a different layout of YouTube than Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox or anything other than Google Chrome. Now, you could also change up the how many likes and dislikes you have in your video. Now, you want to click the number of likes you have, not the thumbs up button. Be careful not to click the thumbs up button, but the number of likes you have. You could also do this with dislikes too. Now, you do not want to click where it says 1 like. You want to click where the greater than and less than sign are surrounding the 1. And you want to change it to how many likes you want it to have, but normally you want to say instead of 1,000, you want to kind of change it to 1K instead of 1,000, or if you want to change it to 1 million, you may need to change it to 1M instead of 1 million, but you could do hundreds as well. If you want to, you could definitely press 1 like and you could change it to how many likes you want, but unfortunately it will not show up on your screen. And again, this won't show up through the whole world. It'll just show up on your computer, and if you refresh the page, it will go back to the way it was, just like I told you a million times already. Now you see that light gray and dark gray line up there? That is the difference between how many likes and how many dislikes you have. And in this case, I made myself look like I had 1,000 likes on this video. So if you want to make it more believable, you're going to want to change the percentage between the light gray and the dark gray on that line. Next, you want to click those 3 dots I just clicked on right now. And you want to change where it says 50% or whatever percent of likes and dislikes you have. And you could change it to, say, I'm going to change it to 99.9 on that percent on that line. Keep in mind, if you have only likes or only dislikes on that video and you want to make yourself look like you don't have dislikes and only have likes, or only have dislikes and no likes, then you don't want to change the percentage. But you could always change the percentage to whatever you want as long as it looks believable, because that matters when you change the amount of likes you have on your video using the F12 setting. You could also change the amount of subscribers you have on your video's watch page. And instead, you're going to want to use K instead of 3 digits, like I told you before. And again, YouTube does have a different layout in Google Chrome than in any other browser. I really hope you learned something through this trick. If you want to see more F12 tutorials, which I'll be more than happy to do since they're easy to make, then be sure to click that like button, and you can comment down below what F12 tutorials you want to see, and I'll be more than happy to do them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!